What time is it? 3:43 a.m. What time is our board? Wala pa yun yung flatbread ko. Namali sila nabigay sa akin dito.
Anong... Oh, I'm so sleepy. You want? Ayok mo na.
Guys, we're in Japan now. Tita, say hi to the vlog.
Oh, vlog. I slept the whole ride, guys.
Yeah.
I downloaded like 3-4 movies. And I didn't watch a single movie.
She
I was
slept.
like dead asleep.
So we're going to get our luggages. So I tried the Abby burger.
Better sa yan. I'll check that one. Korea.
What's the price nila?
Yeah, tingin natin.
Okay lang.
Nahilap dun kanina, no? Nagdadati.
So we went to our first store and we bought parang beauty products din. Ano?
I like it. Oh, lagi ako.
Lahat.
Ang yun ang taas na naglugaw ko. Pinag-DoorDash.
Oh, so good.
Nanamlamin ko yung harap.
Sinasampal na ng yung posture ko to. Diretso.
So today we're going to Brandy in Shibuya. Lagi soba.
Pag silala ka tabi mo, hindi ka nang
Yung takat ka talaga, oh.
So we're on the way to Shibuya and bakit ng lighting?
Oo nga.
nag-ano na.
Tita, say hi to the vlog. Hi! Shout out to Dirty. Randomly, meron kaming plano ni Bianca na. Sabi niya, may nadaanan
Boxing.
kaming sabi niya, gusto mo mag-boxing? Tapos biglang sabi niya, ay hindi, actually, mas maganda mag-bouldering ka.
Kasama mga day ones umangat sa buhay.
Have family cheeky.
Sakit na lang pa ako. Paano na to?
Seryoso ba?
pala? Oo nga.
Oh, paano yan?
Paano si aficionado?
Si Joel. Si Joel.
Oo. Basta yung ganyan yung buhok.
Si Kitty yun. Gandang.
Sa kanya ba ang aficionado?
Hindi. Gandang Ricky Reyes.
Aminin nyo, gumana. Kasi lahat ng
Hindi, nakuha lang namin si hairstyle. Hindi dahil. Si aficionado mahaba buhok.
ang ano kasi, ang...
So, got matcha.
An 8, 7. I like it. 6. But it's kinda, like if you're not really into matcha, you'd say it's like kind of malansa.
It tastes more on the herby side. Pag organic pala na matcha, mas like ganun yun taste. Barley.
Sabi siya, barley. Bakit alam mo yung barley? Kala ko sa Bulacan yung
Baliw yun sa tinitinda ng
Oo, skew. Ganda na to, girl.
Uy, ang haba ng pila,
Wait, may table ako sa loob.
Ay, sige, tara. Medyo mahaba yung pila, pero mabilis naman siya. And, here's
大碗
the...
金额看不得别人被贵了。我跟你说，来拉萨会比较很有钱的。
So, very near naman.
Really nice tops. I
Yeah.
already see it from here.
So excited to try on the tops. May fitting room pa kaya? Alright. Kasi wala nang fitting room, so like di kami umabot.
Siguro that's why I said we have to.
Yeah. Girl, alam mo sa naisip ko, Bali.
但是那么
Galing
中国
mo.
人嘛，你还这样？
Galing mo ah.
Part 2. Wait lang. Okay, lines you can say. Tara, baba. Ayun. We just finished shopping in Brandy and now we're in Adidas because Bianca's looking for gift for Drake.
Nasa nakita ko na. Andun. Kano ba siya?
19.3? 19. So we're going to ABC Mart right now.
Oversteken.
And guys, biglang umulan. Oh, may Vivian Westwood! May odds? Saan? Oh! Meron nga!
Okay. So, the phrase is, maganda. First one is supportive.
Maganda! Maganda!
Next is disappointed. Pwede.
Maganda.
Ano yun? Sarcastic. Maganda. Nag-iisip ako ng mga scenarios.
Wait, di ko pa going sarcastic.
Ay, okay.
Maganda.
Maganda yun. Match. Ano? Ay, tapos ka na sarcastic. Ano ako sarcastic? Flirty. Weird. Ikaw mo nag-aral. This is nice. Weird. Ganda.
Okay. Guys. So guys, we're still at and Bianca's deciding whether she should get this school bag from Marc Jacobs. So we're going to Marc Jacobs right now. We just bought Uggs.
I'm already wearing mine.
I'm wearing my Salomons. So yeah, let's see if Bianca's gonna get it. Kasi she's not sure. Medyo, it's a plain white bag, but it looks good on her kasi.
But it's the price, guys. You gotta be practical. In this economy,
In this economy, bro.
you gotta be practical and wise with your money.
Wow. Big words from you. Hingi ka ng sign. Pag meron tayong aso na nakita bago makapunta sa Marc Jacobs, meaning nun, hindi, tinatahulan na tayo pa ulit.
Okay. Malapit-lapit na.
So, eto guys ha.
Medyo slim chances
Ito
na.
yung footage.
Pagkakaliwa, Marc Jacobs na to. Nakita ko na po.
Guys, medyo malapit na kami sa Mark. Layo ah. Lars, yoko pala. Pinaglakad mo pa ako ah. Yan na siya. Hindi, pag may stock pa, ay bumalik. Here's the bag, guys.
I think white.
Why?
Yeah, I like white.
Hey! Guys, pangalawang full day pa lang namin at bankrupt na. Haircut. Where's the matcha? Ito ba? Tinimpla ko sa'yo. Nakalala mo yun. We're at Donkey right now, guys. So, I don't know what else I'm gonna buy. But here's, pasalubong. Kasi tatay. Ngongo yarn. Ngongo yarn.
Umiitim ang singit, ngunit hindi naman po ito naaarawan. Naniniwala po ako na umiitim ang singit dahil po sa pawis na ating pinaghihirapan. Ang singit po ay pinagpapawisan. Kaya po itong ikahirap ang singit mo na maitim, pinagpaguran. Ito ang aking huling hininga. Wala na akong pakialam sa
Sabi sa'yo parang usak. So guys, we're at Asakusa right now. Pero it's night na. There we go. Okay, go. Drop in 100 yen.
Baka sa malas. Bad fortune dyan. Tapos pinipunit.
Kaya nga wag mo nang anuhin. Wag na, nakakatakot. Ito na siya. Yun lang.
Yun lang, alis na.
On the way back to Brandy. I wanna take you. Okay.
Wala kang video. Ito na yung harap. Ito ko pa.
Nag-wait lang So guys, we're drinking matcha at a cafe right now. Tayo na same feeler. Joke. Sobrang tamis. Kulang guys.